Do you want to know if cheese makes you live longer? Today, learn why it may, how you can actually realistically live longer. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss anything instinctual. Also, make sure to like this video and share it. Tune in to your health instincts. Also, follow us on Instagram, plus Facebook, where you'll get instinctual. In a study of 130,000 people across 21 different countries between the ages of 35 and 70 years old, they were separated into two groups. One had reduced fat dairy and one had full fat dairy. The group that had full fat dairy, more than 2 servings a day, processed milk, was conducted to seeing more major decreases in not only risk of stroke, but risk for cardiovascular disease as well. People who had 3.2 servings of whole fat dairy on average a day seen lower mortality rates at 3.3% from the baseline group and a 3.7% risk of developing cardiovascular disease. But those who ate less than 0.5 servings of dairy a day had 5% risk for cardiovascular disease. Basically, with this study that they use, they really don't got milk. People have gone to them and say, hey, you got milk, but it's just not nutritious as you think. And basically, having full fat dairy, that group reduced mortality by 0.5%, not a whole 5%, versus those who had no dairy. Those in the study who had barely any dairy, half a serving a day, had a higher cardiovascular risk, 1.3%. What this measly study means is that, kind of side topic, why people who are fat adapted and who eat a lot of fat have better blood sugar and improved insulin sensitivity. Though dairy, not fat, has a lot of negative health concerns. Check out our previous video on why not to drink milk. Osteoporosis and cancer can occur. Most dairy comes from animals that are full of drugs and hormones, plus antibiotics, unhealthiness that goes into the milk than you. Quality with all food is what matters, not quantity. Milk is for babies. We're the only animal who consumes more milk after birth than any other species. And we're the most intelligent species, yet we suffer the most disease. Dairy is unnecessary. A measly little 0.5%. Dairy should not be consumed. Instead, eat healthy fats to live an important and healthy life. Dramatically increase your health by fixing blood sugar. Get blood pressure optimizer. It'll help your cardiovascular system, every system, below in the description. Instinct without action is impactless. Check the vids below.